In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Booking.com wallet credit. To get started, open Booking.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. This is important because your wallet credit is tied to your account and won't usually appear unless you're logged in first. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct account before moving on. Next, go to your profile. You'll typically find the profile icon near the top area of the page. Click on it to open your account options. This section gives you access to your personal settings, bookings, and any rewards or wallet-related features connected to your account. From the profile menu, click on Rewards and Wallet. This is where Booking.com keeps the information related to travel rewards, credits, and wallet balance. When you open this page, you should be able to see whether wallet credit is available in your account, and in some cases, any details about how it can be used. Once you're inside that section, click on the area that says Save Money on your next adventure with Booking.com. This is the part that explains how the wallet credit works and where you can review how to apply it. The main thing to understand here is that Booking.com wallet credit is typically used during checkout by selecting wallet as your payment method, as long as the booking is eligible. In most cases, wallet credit can be applied to eligible hotel, flight, car rental, or taxi bookings. However, availability may depend on the type of reservation, and prepaid bookings are usually the most common ones that support wallet credit. If you don't see the wallet option at checkout, that usually means the booking you selected doesn't qualify for it. If your wallet credit covers the full cost, then your booking can be paid entirely with that balance. If it doesn't cover the whole amount, you can usually pay the remaining balance using another payment method. That makes it a flexible option if you want to reduce the total amount you pay out of pocket. Also keep in mind that wallet credit generally can't be withdrawn as cash, so it's meant to be used directly on eligible travel purchases within Booking.com. Before confirming payment, it's always a good idea to double check that the wallet option is selected correctly and that the discount or credit has been applied as expected. And that's how to use Booking.com wallet credit quickly and easily.